Pagkatapos natin mabisita ang St. Francis Xavier Chapel at mapuntahan ang iba't ibang lugar katulad ng Agas-Agas Bridge, Palo Cathedral at iba pa, ay ating puntahan naman ang mga lugar kung saan makikita natin ang iba't ibang mga heritage places dito mismo sa Tacloban City. Mapupuntahan natin ang MacArthur Leyte Landing Memorial National Park, Santo Niño Shrine and Heritage Museum, San Juanico Bridge at iba pa. So yun mga KTC, nandito po tayo sa Revolto ni MacArthur. Pupuntahan natin doon. So first time kong pumunta dito mga KTC. So ito po yung paligid. So yun po yung highway. So MacArthur Landing Memorial. So, may sulat dito. Basahin natin. This marker is dedicated to the men and women who fought for freedom and democracy on these shores 50 years ago. So yan, basahin nyo na lang mga KTC. Yeah. Miguel Ramos, October 20, 1994. So yan. So meron doon sa kabila. So i-picture lang natin para mabasa nyo. So yan. So yan, pasok tayo doon. So meron din silang mga dito, paninda nandun sa gilid-gilid mga ito. So pasok tayo dito. So kita na natin dito mismo yung mga revolto nila mga ito. So may water show pala dito. Yan. Meron doon sa kabila. So yan yung mga babasahin. Si Ferdinand Marcos din ang nagkuhan-ani no. So ayan, tingnan natin yung mga revolto nila dito. So dito unang naglanding si MacArthur. Ano kayang laman dyan? Footprints. Ayan, may footprints dyan. So yun sila. The MacArthur Leyte Landing Memorial National Park is a protected area of the Philippines that commemorates the historic landing of General Douglas MacArthur and Leyte Gulf at the start of the campaign of recapture and liberate the Philippines from Japanese occupation on 20 October 1944. The MacArthur Leyte Landing Memorial National Park is established on July 12, 1977. So yun mga KTC, nandito po tayo sa bahay ni Marcos dito sa Tacloban. Yan. So papasok po kami doon sa loob. Along with a restriction of the management of Santo Niño and Heritage Museum, we are not allowed to take video inside the museum. Instead, we are granted to capture picture. The Santo Niño Shrine and Heritage Museum is one of the 20 presidential rest house built by late former President Ferdinand Marcos for his wife Imelda, who was originally from Tacloban. The luxurious structure served as a chapel, museum, and a guest house with 21 bedrooms in 1979. A religious landmark was built in honor of Santo Niño, the patron saint of Tacloban City, then became under requisition of Presidential Commission on Good Government in 1986. Currently, it is widely visited by tourists. This shrine and heritage museum was considered a palace during the Marcos regime, with state dining rooms, conference rooms, a replica ballroom of the one of the Malacanang Palace, and a several bedrooms. Each room having a diorama of the former First Lady, as well as a signed photograph of the couple. 7 bedrooms were built for the members of the Marcos family, while each of the 13 guest room has its own unique name and motif such as Ifugao, Palawan, Fern, Muslim, Bicolnon, Shell, Primitive, Sampaguita, Elocanja, Coconut, Butterfly, Capis, and Banig. The biggest room in the house belongs to Imelda herself. But some structure, architecture, design, and attraction was damaged by the typhoon. The San Juanico Bridge is part of Pan-Philippine Highway and stretches from Samar Leyte across the San Juanico Strait in the Philippines. Its longest length is a steel girder viaduct built on reinforced concrete piers, and its main span is of an arc-shaped truss design. Constructions of a bridge commenced during 1969 presidential campaign. It was finally completed 4 years later in 1973 and was inaugurated on July 2, 1973 in celebration of Imelda Marcos' birthday. The San Juanico Bridge is one of the Philippines' longest bridges that spans a body of water with a length of 2.16 kilometers. So, yun, nag-trip kami dito ng jeep. Basta kayo mo, ano na?
Atbang sa Matsura. Oh, atbang sa Matsura.
Moron, suga. Kaya na manaog. Matabok mi. Lang, ay pag ina dia diretso na. Ha? Makto gani. Nawa, oy, papunta kami doon sa may bilihan ng mga delicacies dito. Maganda ito rin, oh, gaganay.
Dapat dili ka sa una daw.
Now. Yan. Delicacy. So yun, maraming bilihan ng delicacy.
Matilaw yan. Matilaw sa ta.
Nadji, sir, may kabuo. Pretest.
Naadiya sa unahan.
Pretest.
Dito.
Oh, yung British na dagat.
Sa may kuwan. Silawi.
Oh, bye na, palit.
Palit ha? Ano yung moron? Ano yung moron?
More on?
Ano yung moron? Sila mayor sila dahil. Dira. Yan si madam. Wala sila. Sila wa. My name.
Bahalina. Tahong. Shrimp. Bagnet. Kamote chips. Danggit. So yan, hanggang dun street puro delicacy.